and James the camcorder. Dad bought a camcorder. The children had a race. Dad made a video. Smile, everyone, said Dad. Dad went to the sports day. He took the camcorder. He made a video of Wilma. It was just ready. They took the camcorder. He made a video of the wedding. It was Mom and Dad's anniversary. Wilma wanted to make a video. Dad showed Wilma camcorder. It's easy, said Dad. Wilma made a video. It's easy, said Wilma. Smile, please, said Wilma. The children watched the race. They watched the sports day. They watched Joe's wedding. They laughed at Wilma's video. They went to the treehouse. Wilma wanted to make a video. Dad let her use the camcorder. Wilma made a video. She showed to Mom. His were bubbles.
They were?
They were bubbles. The bubbles were running away. Wilma made a video of them. Call the police, said Sherry. She shouted. Dad got a phone. He called the police. Wilma got the bubbles on video. The police came. They watched the video. Well done, said the police. The police caught the bubbles. Thank you, said the police.